Welcome to MeetingPlay's virtual engagement platform. We recognize some of the most compelling reasons people attend live events are to network, make new connections, and discover valuable content. With our networking algorithm, we'll not only match attendees with like-minded individuals, but we'll also match them to content networking rooms and other event experiences that may be relevant to them. To get started, we're going to head to My Network. Before you can access your networking tools and suggestions, start off by taking a brief survey and answer some qualifying questions that best match you with other event attendees. This survey will trigger our AI matching algorithm to understand who you are, your professional needs, and some fun facts about you. Once your information has been filled out, click Generate Network to lock in your answers. Once you've completed the survey, you'll be brought to your My Network page that is full of things made custom for you. From the top, you will see recommended networking sessions, which are collaborative rooms broken out by topic. From this page, you can click Join to be brought straight into the session, where you can chat with other event attendees who are also attending during the same time. Next to recommended networking sessions, you will find Like-Minded Individuals. These are attendees that have been matched with you based on similar interests and professional needs. From this section, you have the ability to chat with other attendees by clicking Chat, where you will have the opportunity to type a message out to start your conversation with your new networking prospect. In addition, you can also start a video call with the attendee, putting you face-to-face with someone who is just like you. Lastly, access your sessions of interest that are suggested to you based off your interests you listed out in your survey. Learn more about the sessions by clicking on the title, which take you straight to it. If you're not ready to join the session just yet, or it's happening later on in the event schedule, click Follow to keep it on your radar and access it later. If you're not happy with your networking results, retake the survey and refine your answers. Doing so will give you a refreshed view of new networking opportunities and attendees.